sharing the
the event that we're going to have this year for the hospital in Bangladesh, and also equipment, machinery and parts where some UK companies. In terms of UK, we are still
the past going there, and that's the best I can.
And then for other, but I would like to see more products come. What 40 years? 40 years now. Okay. Medicines. So after 10 years, got 25 million. We gain our independence in 1957 from UK. But I guess economically you're very strong.
The UK has managed to do business in the
So they have a lot of money to buy, and a lot of and they
for restaurant catering industry from Bangladesh caterers which organize these things, which is very.
We are the third largest exporter of products into the UK.
We in Bangladeshi Taka we.
Here.
There is a business opportunity. We are living in UK. We are
Bangladesh, Indian trade. Thank you.
business people in Malaysia when I went last time for a few days, and I think
Middle East will accept anything that comes from Malaysia halal, because very, very strict.
Malaysian businesses that we could.
explain to you is a great business opportunity, and I'm pleased to know some of.
I mean, we have rich Muslim country, Russia. Russia is quite a number of Muslim. It's not just what you eat, consume inside, but when you're outside, it should also be halal and so on. Okay, on the Malaysia halal sector, rich in terms of Saudi Arabia and the GCC countries, and the population are very small.
Yeah.
In terms of agencies on the left, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6.
Oil. This makes everything.
I think people buy. We invest today. We sell over halal products now.
Oh, okay. Definitely we can relation
Provide one.
Yes, we can give.
Malaysian products from Malaysia and so on. So, in terms of fairs, more food demonstration and cookery classes all over the country.